Sanibonani, igama nguThandeka, okabekwa Kabekwa Mombo Publications. Nanamuhla sisaqhubeka nokwenza umsebenzi wokubuyekeza. Remember, ukubuyekeza is revision, is to revise. Sibuyekeza incwadi incwadi ezohlolwa ngo-2025. So this is revision for 2025 set work called Umhlaba Ofile. Incwadi le eyinoveli esiyibhalelwe nguSebastian Jili. So lo upart 4, kuzoba khona no part 5, bese kuba upart 6 will be the final one. Right. So namhlanje ke sizobheka ubuholi bendabuko noma ubuholi bomdabu, which is traditional leadership, noma sithi ubukhosi, bese sibheka nobunye ubuholi which is leadership. Ake siqhubeke ke nomsebenzi. Sizobheka ke abalingiswa abakhulisa indaba. Abalingiswa are the characters, as you know, yes. Abakhulisa, it means that grows or that expands indaba, the story. And we are focusing on ubuholi, which is the leadership. Basendaweni yasemakhaya. Remember, endaweni yasemakhaya is in the rural areas or in the homeland. So we're looking at leadership within the rural area. So this leadership is actually headed by Inkosi. Inkosi, it's a word that could mean a king or a local chief, right? So Inkosi ke yesizwe ke saseMafakatini is the gentleman that we see that is dressed in a traditional regalia. And then Inkosi ke rules in council. And within his council, kuba khona ke the main man or the main headman, and the main headman is called Induna Nkulu, from the word Kulu, right? So he is the headman, but this one is the one that is sometimes second in command to Inkosi, right? It's like a deputy kind of. And then within the council, you have other members of the council, and the council is called Umkhandlu. And these are Amalunga Umkhandlu, members of the council, of the traditional council. All right. So, ungakhohlwa ke ukuthi uma udinga ukusithinta ungasivakashela kwiwebsite yethu ethi www.kabekwamombo.co.za noma usithumelele i-email uma ufuna ukuthenga iy'ncwadi. If you want to buy one of our books, you can contact, or you may contact us on publications@kabekwamombo.co.za or kabekwamombo@gmail.com. Don't forget to subscribe and like our YouTube channel so that we can, be able to just create more and more resources to help our fellow students. Let us look at Inkosi. Masibheke Inkosi or Undabezitha. Undabezitha is like a synonym for Inkosi, because this is igama lokuhlonipha, right? So Inkosi is addressed in a certain way, like in English, you would say Your Majesty and stuff like that. So Undabezitha is equivalent to, that. So sizobheka ke ukuvezwa kanye nendima edlalwa inkosi endabeni. Right, so you will notice that we are focusing mostly on ukuvezwa kwabalingiswa, how the characters are portrayed, because through that we are able to remember what the story was about, especially in line with that particular character. All right, and it by just looking at how they are portrayed, it kind of like jolts back our memories on different incidents that happened within the story or around that particular or involving that particular character. And today our focus is on Inkosi. Remember I said the Mkondofana is Undabezitha, and Undabezitha is a respect, it's a way of respecting Inkosi. So if you don't want to call them Inkosi, you can call him Undabezitha. So ingumholi, umholi is a leader. Ubuholi is leadership. So he is the leader yomphakathi noma umphathi or the head of the village yaseMafakatini, umphathi wesizwe. It's someone who is in charge of someone who is the like in South Africa we have Cyril Ramaphosa as the first citizen. So in the village he is more like the first citizen. So he is the owner of, that area of the village in a way. So ingumuntu olawula umthetho. So within the rural communities, Inkosi is the one who enforces the traditional or the customary laws endaweni yaseMafakatini, this one in particular. Right, izizwa ingahloniphekile. So he feels disrespected endaweni yayo in his area ngoba imindeni yakwaGasa noNtuli ayibikanga enkosini ngohambo lwabafana oluya enyangeni. So he feels disrespected simply because the two families, the Gasa and the Ntuli families, did not report, did not inform Inkosi about, the trip that their boys were planning to take, which was a trip to the moon. Ukulungisa isimo, and to fix the situation or to address the issue at hand, Itumela Ismemo, he summoned, both uGasa noNtuli to the traditional courts. Enkantolo Yesizwe. Enkantolo Yesizwe is the traditional court. And as the king or the chief or the local chief of the area, he sends, so obviously he did not go and call uGasa noNtuli himself, but he sent Induna. Induna is one of his headmen. He ordered Induna ukuhambisa isimemo to just send the invite to the Gasa and the Ntuli family, right? Right, isebenza-ke nomkhandlu. So inkosi-ke is always enkosi in council. So he works with his council and they work in enkantolo yesizwe. Inkantolo is a traditional court. All right, kusalandeleka. Usually for paper 2, as students, we worry about the words because sometimes, there are a lot of words that we don't understand. You'd find that we would know the answer should we understand, certain words within the questions. So here is a list of amagama, amasha, and it's ulwazi magama, which is the vocabulary. And this vocabulary in particular, it was given to us by the examiners at the beginning of the year. And these are the words that you should have been learning throughout the year, because these words should be in our paper 2 exam. First word is ukusolwa, to be blamed. Izeluleko are advices, izixazululo are the solutions or isixazululo, right? Remember, you can use igama elithi mhlambe izeluleko and advice. You may be asked to give umlingiswa othile iseluleko or abalingiswa bathile, certain characters, izeluleko. And when you give izeluleko, you write as if you are speaking to a person. For an example, if you are asked to write iseluleko to, let's say, Amahle, about izinqumo that she takes, izinqumo are the decisions that she makes, then you can say, Amahle, ngicabanga ukuthi whatever, whatever, whatever. So you write as if you are speaking to that person. So izixazululo will also be the solutions to whatever that may be happening in the story. Okay. So you may need izixazululo just to assist abantu basendaweni yasemafakatini to have more information about the natural disasters. Uyayibona loo nto, ulwazi oluthe ukuthi xaxa. Or izixazululo that uMapengu and uMazwane were talking about in terms of sorting out the situation of their husbands and their sons spending a lot of time together. They were looking for izixazululo. And the reason why uMazwane had to go see uMapengu, it's because she wanted them to come up with izixazululo, the solutions, as a collective. Ukweluleka from izeluleko, this is to give advice. And then isibindi is when someone is courageous. Baluleka, something that is important. Ukuzikhandla, you will remember ukuthi uSolomon noJohn basebenza ngokuzikhandla. They work hard, to achieve, their dreams, amaphupho abo, their visions. Ukuzikhandla is when someone works hard. Uhlelo is a program. There were a number of programs that are used in the story. Izinselelo or izingqinamba. That's a very, very important word, and that you can't go into that exam venue without knowing. Izinselelo are the challenges, the difficulties, or izingqinamba that the characters are facing. You remember that uJohn noSolomon, they have izinselelo ukuthi abantu basemafakatini, they just don't understand. And abazali babo, they also don't understand about, the scientific, meaning to isimo sezulu and stuff like that. So they had to work hard trying to convince them ukuze babe on the same page as them. So there were a number of challenges that they had to face. All right, ingozi, which is a danger, right? Ingozi, ziningi izingozi esizitholayo, abantu belimala, siphinde sithole ingozi eyahlela uSolomon ngenkathi elinyaza, but we will cover that in the next in part 5. So tutuga, it means to develop. Iziphakamiso were the recommendations. Remember ukuthi emhlanganweni umkhandlu wawenza iziphakamiso, the recommendations. Inkosi was also asking if there was an alternative other than finding umhlaba oyisipele and having people to relocate to that umhlaba oyisipele, right? Umthelela-ke is the impact. For an example, we can look at ubudlelwano phakathi kukaSolomon no Amahle. Buba nomthelela omubi empilweni yabo, to both their lives, as well as empilweni kaSabelo and the people around them ababathandayo. All right. So you may have umthelela omuhle, you may have umthelela omubi. Right. And then umphumela-ke is a result, an outcome. Kumbuza, remind, xabana, fight or quarrel. Amathuba, opportunities, inhlobo, intention, fakazela, witness, and to kononda is to lodge a complaint. Kusazwakala ngithi. I hope you remember to subscribe and like our page. Going forward, let us look at Induna Nkulu. Induna is the headman, and when it's said to be the Nkulu one, it means it's the main guy, right? The one that is closest to Inkosi. So Induna Nkulu is the one that was sent, Inkosi ukuhambisa izimemo kwagasa nakwantuli. That is how he is portrayed and the role that he plays. All right. So he is more of like a messenger. Ihamba ngehashi and he travel by horse to these homes. And ukuhamba kwayo ngehashi, this is an indication to ukuthi indaba yenzeka endaweni yasemakhaya. So endaweni yasemakhaya, as means of transport, there are a lot of people who still uses amahashi, right, in rural areas. So ibuza imbuzo ebalekile because he is the right hand man to Inkosi. He is the one that is also asking important questions during umhlangano, ngesikhathi somhlangano. Like for an example, he asked ukuthi yini ezozuzwa yisizwe ngohambo lwasemkhathini. So he wanted to know, he is the one that asked ukuthi what will the king or the villagers benefit from the trip to the moon. So induna-ke kanye nomkhandlu, both induna and the council abayiqondisisi kahle incazelo abayinikayo. So they both don't understand, the explanation that was done by uSolomon and uJohn with regards to umhlaba oyisipele, which is the spare piece of land or the spare land that they were hoping to relocate everyone to. When Inkosi summoned the Gasas and the Ntulis to Enkantolo Yenkosi, he wanted to address an issue, and an issue is a complaint or isikhalazo. So now the question is, what was the issue? What was the complaint that Inkosi had emhlanganweni, in the meeting? Or you may say, yayikhononda ngani? So these two words are on that list. Kononda, it means to complain or to lodge a complaint, yes, to have a concern. These colors also means exactly the same thing. So this question may be phrased like that, but it's asking for the same thing. So Inkosi Gikhalaza noma Ikononda, he is complaining that the boys or the guys, kanye noyise, together with their fathers, they were treating him like umuntukazana, njengomuntukazana. Umuntukazana is a commoner endaweni yayo, in his own land. Abayihloniphi, meaning they do not respect him, right? So, and then he claimed that he was hearing amahlebezi. Amahlebezi is the hearsay, ngohambo lwasemkhathini, about, the trip to the moon or to space. Is it Kumane? So he also had some hearsay on explosives. Futhi ke ifuna ukwazi ukuthi kungani ingaziswanga. He wanted to know the reason why he was not informed, together with his council, about the trip to space, because ngoba oGasa noNtuli bayayazi inqubo yesakhiwo sobukhosi. They both know and understand the traditional area procedures. Okay, and then he reminded them ukuthi inkosi yenu, I am your king, I am your leader. So I should know about these things when they happen under my jurisdiction or in my area. Another word that was one of the words that were on the list was izinselelo or izingqinamba. And remember, we said those are challenges. So I tried to put together a question, in line with izinselelo or izingqinamba, and based it on uJohn no Solomon. Let us read the question or the instruction together. Chaza izinselelo or izingqinamba uJohn noSolomon ababhekana nazo ngaphambi kohambo, right? So I think this is a very important question where you have to explain izinselelo, the challenges that John and Solomon had to face before, or that they went through before the trip. Okay, so they went through a lot of challenges, izinselelo eziningi. Right. So firstly, this was the first challenge. Abazali babo, their parents, kanye nomphakathi, together with the community or the society, abakholwa ukuthi izinkinga zesimo sezulu zidalwa ukungcola komhlaba. They did not believe that the issues or the problems involving the weather are caused by the pollution of earth, umhlaba that we live in. Other than abazali nomphakathi futhi ke abantu bangakubo, this still means umphakathi, the community, people from the area, abanalo ulwazi, they lack information, they were clueless ngokuguquguquka komhlaba. They did not know much about climate change. Ukuguquguquka komhlaba is climate change. Bakholelwa ukuthi izinhlekelele zesimo sezulu zenzeka ngoba uNkulunkulu ediniwe ngenxa yezono zabo. So they believe that the reason why they were having extreme weather conditions and natural disasters, okay, izinhlekelele zesimo sezulu, it's because zenzeka ngoba uNkulunkulu, God, umdali, uJehova, uThixo was angry because of their sin, due to their sins. Ngenxa yezono zabo, izono are the sins or the faults. Abantu basemafakatini kanye nabazali babo. So both the Mafakatini community together with their parents did not believe, okay, abakholwa or do not believe ukuthi labafana bazoqopha umlando, that they will even break a record. Remember ukuthi ukuqopha umlando is, something that is of paramount to these guys. So they want to break this record. So a noun from lama magama amabili ukuqopha umlando is the word inqophamlando, which is on the list. Inqophamlando, which is record breaking. So they wanted to qopha umlando of being abantu abamnyama bokuqala, of being the first black people to go to the moon, right? So that is what they were hoping to do. Inkosi ifuna ukwazi ukuthi alukho yini olunye uhlelo. So the king or the local chief wanted to know if there wasn't like maybe any alternative program, all right, that they could use ngaphandle kwalolu lokuthola umhlaba oyisipele, except or other than finding a spare piece of land or spare land. All right, kusazwakala. Siyabonga. Wazi kangakanani? How much do you know? Ake sibheke-ke imibuzo. Umsebenzi 1. Induna yenkosi yavakashela uGasa noNtuli emzini yabo ngasiphi isikhathi sosuku. So the Nkosi's headmen visited Ugasa and Ntuli in their homes at which time of the day? Ngasiphi isikhathi sosuku. Baligama lesithuthi, right? The name of isithuthi is means of transportation. Induna yenkosi eyafika ngasemzini yalamadoda, that the headman he used to get to these men's houses or homes. Wawuthini umyalezo owawulethwe induna yenkosi? So what was the message? Umyalezo is the message that induna brought. Umyalezo wenduna wabenza bazizwa kanjani? Bazizwa kanjani uGasa noNtuli? Chaza. So the message made both Gasa and Ntuli to feel, or how did the message, that they received from Induna Yenkosi made both these gentlemen, uGasa noNtuli, feel. All right. Then bhala ke incazelo yalamagama ngesingisi. Write the meaning to these words in English. Umkhandlu, induna, undunankulu wenkosi, inuzi, izimboni. Ngelanga lomhlangano ngubani owafunda izihloko zaloko kwakuzokhulunywa ngakho? On the day of the meeting, who read the agenda, of what, was going to be discussed on the day? Ngamaphuzu amabili in 2 points. Chaza ukuthi inkosi yathi ibabizelana oGasa noNtuli. Explain the reason why inkosi had to call uGasa noNtuli together with their sons namadodana abo. Number 8, uSolomon noJohn babezizwa kanjani ngokubizelwa emhlanganweni? Chaza. So how did John and Solomon feel by being summoned to the meeting? Explain. Bhala igama lenkampani ephehla ugesi engcolisa umoya ngokukhipha intuthu. Write the name of the company that generates electricity. Phehla ugesi means to generate ugesi, electricity. Engcolisa umoya, that pollutes air by, releasing the smoke. Number 10, abafana bathi lubizwa ngani uhlelo olungcono kunalolu olusetshenziswa inkampani ephehla ugesi? So the guys, which are uJohn no Solomon, said, what is a better program called? So a better program to the one that is used by the company number 9 called. All right, so the program for generating electricity. Right, I hope you were just writing your answers. So I'm now going to show you imemo is impendulo, and you can compare your answers to my answers. And I hope you have learned, the new words from those questions. All right, here are izimpendulo. Nazi izimpendulo. Induna yenkosi yavakashela uGasa noNtuli emzini yabo ekuseni. Induna yayihamba ngehashi. Inkosi yayibamemela enkantolo yesizwe, traditional court. Umyalezo wenduna wabenza bazizwa benovalo, made them feel nervous noma benokwesaba or scared. uGasa noNtuli ngoba babengabikanga, because they did not report to the Nkosi ngohambo lwamadodana abo about the trip for their sons. Incazelo yalamagama, umkhandlu is council, induna yenkosi is headman, induna enkulu is indunankulu, it's the main headman, inuzi is nuclear, izimboni are the factories. Ngelanga lomhlangano, induna nkulu eyafunda. So it was the main headman that read the agenda. Yayifuna ukwazi ngamahlebezi, so he wanted to know about the hearsay, nokuthi kungani ngabekelelwanga, and why he was not informed about the trip. uSolomon noJohn babezizwa bekhululekile. They felt relaxed because babengayisabi inkosi njengabazali babo. They were not as scared of inkosi as their parents. Igama lenkampani ephehla ugesi is Eskom, i-Eskom. Abafana bathi uhlelo olungcono olubizwa ngenuzi. Sibheke-ke uqhubeka kwabalingiswa abakhulisa indaba. Right, we continue looking at abalingiswa abakhulisa indaba. Ukuvezwa komlingisa onguMabhengu. So uMabhengu kulesi sahluko simthola eluka ucansi. Ukweluka ucansi is to weave the straw mats. Right, so ukuveza kanye nendikimba edlalwa nguMabhengu endabeni. uMabhengu unkosikazi kaNtuli, we all know that. Ungumama ongajabulile, so she is an unhappy wife, all right, or woman. Ngoba umyeni is the husband, nendodana yake, and her son, they spend a lot of time at the Gassas. Untuli uyamhlukumeza. So over and above that, she is abused by her husband. So Untuli benogasa babangani, they tend to do izinto the same way. So amalungelo abesifazana bawazi kahle. They don't really, support amalungelo abantu besifazane, women's rights. Okay, so because bayahlukumeza. And then it's as if uyamshaya physically, all right? So because you remember ukuthi when she spoke to uMazwane, she mentioned ukuthi she has lost so much weight because of how her husband abuses her. uMabhengu ubona ukuthi isixazululo, so she thinks the solution to the problem of their sons and their husband spending time together, it requires for them to pour boiling water over their husbands and have them killed, right? So it was her suggestion, and that was out of pain and anger because she felt neglected and disrespected. uMabhengu ukholelwa kwizinkolelo ze. She believes in superstitions. She is superstitious. Uthi kuzofanele bamise amacansi. She said they will have to keep the straw mats up straight ekhoneni lezindlu zabo, at the corners of their homes. Uma bafana benyangeni, the day the boys depart or leave for the moon. Uthi uma amacansi ewa, she says, should the straw mats fall, kuzobe chaza ukuthi abafana sebeshonile. That will be an indication that the boys died. So this is what icansi looks like. All right. Okay, ake siqhubeke-ke sibheke izindikimba esizithola-ke kulezi zahlupho. So here are just a couple of themes that we could find. Ubuchwepheshe, which is technology, and there, as you can see, there's a picture of a isipuputheki or umkhumbi